Good afternoon, guys. We're here at the Art of Animation Resort at Walt Disney World, and we are going to do a room tour of a Finding Nemo Family Suite. When you come in, you see it's a large space. We have a living room area. There's a bedroom area, as well as a dinette area. These rooms sleep up to 6 people. And we'll show you in a minute how this table right here folds down to become a Murphy bed. The theming in these rooms are really, really immersive. All the little details go with the theme all the way up to, look at the lights on the ceiling. I'm not sure if you can see that because of the glare. They're bubbles, how cute. One nice thing about these rooms is they have 2 bathrooms, which is really good for a larger family. Both of them have showers. The one off the main living area here has this cute shower curtain with Dory and all the sharks. We've got a mirror here. And the toilet area. Down below the sink, you're going to find some extra towels, your hair dryer, waste paper basket, and then you have your hand soap here. And I'm sure we're going to find our H2O bath products in the shower as well, right there in the pumps on the wall. Next, we're going to come into the main living area, which also, like the dining area, acts as a sleeping area. We have a large TV and plenty of storage here. Down here, you're going to find your extra pillows, and up here, your blankets. These are going to be for your pullouts. This sofa here pulls out to a bed. We're not going to pull that out. I don't think it's necessary. It acts just like a regular pull-out sofa. We have a kitchenette area here with the microwave, which is great. Refrigerator and coffee. Plenty of places to sit. So 2 people from your family of 6 can sleep here on the pullout. Really love that chair there. I sat in it already. It's pretty comfy. You have plenty of charging locations here. We've got USB ports and outlets. And then we're going to head into the master bedroom. The master bedroom has a queen size bed in it. You're going to see it's lifted up high enough to put the luggage underneath, which is really good. More storage in the nightstand. Don't you love these tile floors? It's nice they've replaced all the carpets with tile. Really nicely themed headboard. We've got another dresser with deep drawers. Another television. More charging outlets. Our in-room safe is here, along with extra pillows and blankets, our ironing board iron, and our always handy luggage rack. Thank you, Lily. Yeah. Then we have another full bathroom here as well, also with a shower. So you have 2 bathrooms in this space. And the theming is just great. The porthole theme for the mirror is wonderful. And it says, "Fish are friends, not food." We have more towels and another hair dryer here. And a beautifully tiled shower here with your H2O bath products and your rainforest shower head. Now, Lily's going to help me show you how to work the Murphy bed that's in the dining area. So we have 2 people who sleep in the master, 2 in the living room, and last but not least, we have 2 on this Murphy bed. So we're going to pull the chairs out. And you're going to see how simply this comes down. One person can do it all by themselves. And there is Nemo with Marlin. How cute. They're all snuggled up sleeping. So this is the other place for 2 sleeping. This is a regular mattress. So this is more suitable for the larger kids or teenagers than the pull-out. The pull-out's going to have a pull-out sofa mattress on it, so it's a little bit thinner. And all around the rim, Lily found the light switch so you can dim this. Very nice. Again, those little Nemo touches. We have our fish. Lily can put this all back by herself, so it's that simple. And there's really just plenty of space here for everybody. So if you have a larger party and you're looking for a place to stay at Walt Disney World, this is really a great option. The theming is a lot of fun. The resort is really, really nice, really immersive, has a great pool, and it's located on the Skyliner. So I definitely recommend you check this out on your next vacation. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.